Can you see yourself in the 2018 Lincoln MKC? This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Performance, luxury, versatility. That's what this sleek MKC delivers. From its connected tech to its premium amenities to its alluring style, this compact SUV is poised to infuse every drive with inspiration. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the freedom of luxury and the confidence of performance when you're behind the wheel of this MKC. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.